How are you doing, Samiksha?
Yes, ma'am, going good. Thank you. And how about you?
I am doing great. Thank you, Samiksha. Samiksha, recently you have been selected for multiple companies. First, I
Yes,
would
ma'am.
like you to tell us what company have offered you a joining and which company will you choose. And after that, let us know the selection process of that particular company which you are choosing as your career option.
Ma'am, I have selected in two companies. It's Chapter 247 Infotech, which is in Indore,
Mm-hmm.
and another company in which I'm selected is Studio Technologies in Pune. So, if I'm talking about the Chapter 247 Infotech Indore, so in this company we have four rounds. The
Okay.
first one is the common round, which is aptitude round in all the companies,
Mm-hmm.
and then second round we have GD. Then third round a technical interview, and then again a technical interview,
Okay.
first by a senior. And then after we have HR, means like HR is general interview in which they have talk about the joining or and like something like this.
Okay.
So
So,
this is the process of chapter
mhm,
247.
okay. So, what profile you applied for Chapter 247, Samiksha?
Ma'am, means like there is no particular position for which we have applied, like students we have applied.
Okay.
Means according to our technical skills, like it's a technical company or
Mm-hmm.
it's kind of startup only.
Mm-hmm.
It's not much old company. So in that means like according to our technical skills, they are giving us the positions of means like on which profile will work. So I have got the position of front end developer.
Okay, great, great.
Yeah.
So then you opted for QDIP Technologies, I guess. Can you tell
Yes,
us
ma'am.
more about
And
that company?
later on, I got opportunity to apply for 2D Technologies. So
Mm-hmm.
I applied in that 2D Technologies. So in 2D Technologies, we have three rounds as I applied for non-technical part.
Okay.
So first round is the common, which is aptitude round, which we have gone through, which
Mm-hmm.
is online, like we have seen this COVID-19. So
Right.
the whole process is online only.
Mm-hmm.
So the first round is aptitude round, which I have cleared. Then after that, a second round, which is English round.
Okay.
In English round, we have some paragraphs, like solving paragraphs, and
Mm-hmm.
then two or three questions.
Okay.
They are given to check our skills on how we think over about something which the topic they have given.
Mm-hmm.
And then the last round is technical or HR interview. So as I opted non-technical, so I have got HR round. In
Okay.
HR, and as well the confidence and the way of speaking of person.
Okay.
The questions like they have asked, like what is composite number, like what is the how much percent of any number is how much. So now like these questions they have asked.
Okay. So what kind of non-technical profile you applied for? What was the vacancy for?
Like in non-technical part, we have business analyst, quality assurance and support,
Okay.
etc. Like these are posts are given.
So for that also, when you were done with your PI rounds, these kind of questions were asked to you, which were based on numerical ability, or you can say apti.
Yeah, basic aptitude and about the self, about ourself, or are we able to doing the shift and all, relocation and all. These questions were asked
Okay.
basically.
Can you tell us more about this company, TUDIP?
Ma'am, like means when the company offered, they offered two profiles. It's
Okay.
just the first one is the core development and another one is ninja, which is non-technical part.
Mm-hmm.
So it depends on the student, like they were applying. It is a quite good company,
Okay.
as many students are placed from our college in the recent years.
Mm-hmm.
The people are means the surrounding environment, as we have talked to HR in the company, as we have online interviews and all.
Mm-hmm.
So it's quite friendly in area. I have seen the way of speaking of the persons over there. That's
Okay.
quite friendly.
So, Samiksha, what kind of package they provide to a fresher? If you talk about both the profiles, if you have any idea.
Yeah. Yes, ma'am. It is like 3.20 for the starting 6 months.
Mm-hmm.
And then after 6 months, they are providing 3.50 of LPA package.
That's good. And this is for both the profiles if you talk about
Yeah,
technical
ma'am.
and
It's same.
non-technical.
Yeah, ma'am. It's same for the both profiles.
Okay, great. Samiksha, because you have been placed with two of the companies, one technical and one non-technical, what will be
Yes, ma'am.
your suggestion as a student, as an engineering student, to other students or your juniors if they are confused that what profile they should go for, technical or non-technical?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, like we are studying 4 years of engineering. So I think that from the first year to the last year,
Mm-hmm.
on basis of reading different subjects, technical subjects and non-technical subjects. Also, we have English and all in first and second year of engineering.
Mhm.
So it's up to the people, like they need to develop their interest in which field.
Right.
Till the fourth year, they develop their interest either in technical or non-technical skills. So the skills which they have more relevant, I think they should go with that profile.
I guess, Samiksha, this is a very good reply from your end, because everybody don't have the particular skills. So we can't say that you should go for technical, because there is no use of opting for technical if you don't have that interest or inclination for that subject.
Yes, ma'am.
Anything else, Samiksha, which you would like to share for your juniors? Because I'm doing this video for your juniors. Any suggestions, any journey from first to fourth year? How should they deal with, situations and everything?
Ma'am, like the students which are going for technical field or they are opting the technical field,
Hmm.
I will suggest them to start their studies or command on any language from the first year itself, because it is very difficult for the student to develop their technical skills from the third year, because the students always think that I'll do in third year, I'll do this,
Right.
I'll do that, but it's not possible. As in my case also it happens, I
Hmm.
learned the languages in second year, but I have not been practicing much. So in third year, I forgot many of the things which I had learned in the second year.
Hmm.
So I will suggest them to start their technical skills from the first year if they want to go for technical skills and
Right.
command on any language or whatever they want to learn.
Okay.
And as the same case in the non-technical field also, they need to
Hmm.
require their skills from the first year itself. They should not depend on their last year or third year.
Right, very true. Samiksha, there are students who are in second year. I do conduct session for them. So what will be your suggestion to a second year student? Because I feel many a times they think that अरे अभी तो बहुत time बचा है तैयारी करने के लिए. What will be your suggestion to the second year student as well?
So, ma'am, if they are thinking like they have a lot of time, so the in fourth year they'll regret about this. Truly, then our class also sometimes regrets that we have learned that in second semester, or we have learned that in first semester, second semester. So
Mm-hmm.
it's the time for them to learn, because in third year or fourth we have projects also. We need to work with the projects as well. We need to prepare for the company. So we have a lot of work to do in third and fourth year, so we'll not be able to prepare as that much that we can prepare in first and second year.
Right, very true. And Samiksha, talking about technical skills, you have given your views. Let me know more about what do you feel that would com skills, soft skills would also play an important role while you're applying for any company, and what will be your suggestion again for your juniors?
Yes, ma'am, sure. Soft skills and communications or skills are very important in every aspects of field. If we talk about technical field and non-technical field, if in a technical company, like we are talking to the someone, so we should know how to communicate with the person who is standing in front of us. He's our
Right.
senior or junior, so we know how to talk with the person who's standing in front of. So I think communication skills are very important in every field.
Okay. I would also like to ask one last question to you, Samiksha. You have been a consistent performer and a very good student, as I know you. My
Yes.
question to you is, there are many students who come from vernacular background. I mean to say, they think that English is very tough to learn and they won't be able to crack any of the company interviews if they are going to face the interviews in English language. Would you like to suggest them something, or would you like to give them a shy of relief that it's not very important that you have to have a very good command over English? What will be your opinion?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, like means the first thing is that it's not very difficult to learn English. And the basic English which we spoke to one another is not that much difficult. And the second thing is not important about the English only speaking. We have Hindi skills also, that is also good. But
Right.
we know how to communicate with the person in Hindi also.
Very true. As
The
Samiksha
things.
has already, communication is important, whether let it be in any language, Hindi or English. If you have that communication, skills in you, you would be able to crack any round. Thank you so much, Samiksha, for sharing your valuable experiences as well as learnings with your juniors. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.